Good day, everyone. My name is Afi Ahmed Abiola, a member of Group Advanced Data Analytic and Visualization. I am pleased to present my project titled Improving Student Academic Performance Through Data Analytics, Identifying the Key Drivers of Student Success. This project was completed under the mentorship of Mr. Yusuf Godwin as part of the Deep Tech West Online Mentorship Program. Problem statement. School collects large amount of student information, but raw data alone does not provide meaningful insight. The challenge is to understand student performance, identify important patterns, and provide evidence that can help educators make better academic decisions. This project therefore uses data analytics to transform student record into understandable insight about academic performance and potential factors associated with student success. My solution is a student academic performance analytic dashboard. I took the student dataset through a complete analytic process, beginning with data cleaning and quality assessment, followed by exploratory analysis, KPI development, and dashboard creation. The final product is an interactive Power BI dashboard that provides a quick overview of student performance and allow users to explore different aspects of the data. Tools and technology. I use several tools throughout the project. Python and Pandas were used for exploratory data analysis. SQL was used for data querying and analysis. Excel and Power BI supported data preparation and transformation. Power BI was used to develop the interactive dashboard, KPIs, and visualization. Finally, GitHub was used for project documentation and version control. Methodology and implementation. The project followed a structured 7-stage workflow. First, I defined the business problem and understanding the data. I then perform data cleaning and quality assessment, followed by exploratory data analysis. I examine distribution relationship, outliers, and potential factors associated with final performance. Based on the findings, I define the required KPIs and develop the Power BI dashboard. Finally, I interpreted the results and developed practical recommendations. Now, let me briefly present the results from the dashboard. The dataset contains 5,000 students with an overall pass rate of 94.7% and an average final performance of 67.48. The performance distribution shows that the largest concentration of students falls within the 60 to 70% range. We also compare the three subjects. The average scored was 67.75 in mathematics, 67.78 in English, and 66.90 in science, showing relatively similar performances across the subjects. We also investigate whether attendance level affects final performance. The average final percentage across attendance band was 67.39, 67.40, 67.81, 67.42, and 67.38% respectively. The difference between the highest and lowest group is only 0.43% point. Therefore, The analysis found no meaningful evidence that attendance level is a dominant driver of final academic performance in the dataset. Our exploratory analysis did not identify a single strong linear relationship between final performance and the variable available. To conclude, this project demonstrates how data analytics can support better educational decision making. We analyzed 5,000 students, identified a 94.7% pass rate, and found an average final percent of 67.48%. However, our analysis also showed that there was no single strong linear driver for final performance among the variables available in the dataset. Based on these findings, we recommend that educators provide targeted support for lower performing students while also monitoring middle performing students who may benefit from additional intervention. We also recommend